Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the directions app in the Trailforks application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button. And then click on the directions app button. So as you can see, there are three applications that you can choose from. So Apple Maps, Google Maps and Waze. So just click on the one that you want to use for this application. And then it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.